Alright, hello everybody. I am Calissa and I am going to be making some pinto beans today. My honey is getting off late and I want to do a nice good soul food Sunday meal for him. So when he gets to the door, he can have the smells of heaven when he enters, okay? And plus I've been craving. I want some rice, I want some roasted chicken, and I want some pinto beans, okay? So I'm going to show you all that I put in my beans, and let's get started. See you. Alright, so here's my spread. I just chopped up half of a large onion. I have some frozen green and red bell pepper. I have some parsley flakes. I'm going to put in some chopped chives because I just like that kind of onion flavor as well. I'm gonna do maybe like a tablespoon of the Slap Your Mama, just so I can get that Cajun type kick. It is so delicious, and instead of me putting in any extra salt or seasoned salt, that will be my salt. I'm gonna do some onion powder, probably like a tablespoon of garlic powder. Here are my pinto beans. I have them washed. I've already picked them out. Any of the shriveled or gray and black looking speckled small discolored beans, I took them out already. So they're sitting in water. They haven't been sitting in water long, probably like 10 to 15 minutes. Normally, most people, they soak them overnight, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be cooking these overnight. We'll probably eat around lunchtime, or they'll be done for dinner. So I'll just keep them on, keep warm. So yeah, they'll have more than enough time to cook overnight, because we'll be eating them tomorrow. And then I also have Better Than Bouillon, the chicken flavor. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. I do like having that extra additional chicken flavor, but I'll probably do like a teaspoon instead of a tablespoon. And it tells you the measurements. Oh, man, it's only 1 teaspoon of Better Than Bouillon equals 1 cube. So I'll probably do like half of that. And then I have some minced garlic, because I love my garlic. And then I also have bay leaves. I'm going to put 2 in here. They're just sliding all over the place. And then the reason why I'm not adding a lot of salt is because I have the ham hocks. And that smoked ham hock flavor, it's been cured with probably salt and stuff. It's already high in sodium, so I'm not going to add anything additional other than that Slap Your Mama. I've rinsed these already, and I should put these on. I'm gonna just put my crock pot on and let them kind of steam and stuff until I put everything in there. Well, you know what? No, it's all good. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take this water off, and then I'll just put all my seasonings in, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just start pouring my stuff in. I am doing that about a 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. I pretty much know what I have, how to eyeball it, but I'm still using the spoon. The spoon is about a tablespoon. Then 1 tablespoon of the garlic powder. Just set this right here. Put that back on. I'm gonna, hey, stop it. Sorry, my dogs. I just got a new puppy. Her name is Coda. She is an American bully, and she is harassing my Yorkie. I don't want to say harassing, but they are playing pretty rough as of lately, but they get along just fine. They'll rough each other up, but we're just hey, stop it. Stop it. That's not how you play. We're just trying to keep them in line as best as possible, okay? But I just poured in the 1 tablespoon of onion powder. This is Slap Your Mama. It's a Cajun seasoning. I love it. I'm doing a 1 tablespoon of that. You can do more, but I don't want my beans to be overly salty because I have the ham hocks in there. And if you find yourself at the end of cooking that you need a little bit more seasoning or salt, just add it at the end, you know, and taste. That's 1 tablespoon of chives. Give me 1 moment. Hey, Coda. Coda, come here. Come here. Let's go. Come on. All right. Come sit down, baby. Sit down, both of you. Maybe I'll show y'all her at the end. Sit down. Thank you. And then I forgot to tell y'all about the parsley flakes, I think. I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon of parsley. I love parsley. I just love the look. And it has like that slight flavor. I'm going to put my 2 bay leaves in. And then I'm going to do my half a teaspoon of Better Than Bouillon chicken flavor. Just to give it that extra flavor. And then I'm going to pour my bell peppers and onions in. I love bell peppers and onions. You're not going to see the chunks by the time it's done cooking. It's going to just kind of break up and add that thickness to your beans. It'll give it a little color, that red bell pepper. And some people are like, where's your cayenne? You know, where's your paprika? Feel free to add that. This has red pepper in it, so you get that kick. And then here's my beans. And I'm going to just pour that in there. And with these beans, what you're going to do is you're going to add this was 1 bag of beans. So you'll add about, I would say 6 cups of water to your mixture. And I have a Brita filter on my faucet, so I would recommend that you use like bottled water, filtered water, whatever you have on hand. And I'm just going to take that the half a teaspoon to get the remainder of the Better Than Bouillon seasoning out of the thing. And that's it. I'm going to just cook this on high for about an hour or 2 while I'm up. Right now it's 8:40 where I'm at. And then I'll put it on low before I go to bed, just so it can kind of just do its thing. And other than that, that is all. Super easy. You just clean and make sure your beans are good. And then you are done. You know, add your seasonings, chop up your onions, throw in a ham hock or 2. And you don't have to use ham hock if you don't eat pork. You could do smoked turkey wings. You can do, you know, beef sausage. Some people put in, you know, kielbasa sausage. So that's it, you know, easy, quick beans, and you don't have to soak your beans overnight, okay? So hopefully you like this recipe. Hopefully it helps you. If you do these overnight, when you wake up in the morning, it's just going to smell so wonderful, and you get a nice aroma that just goes throughout your house, of just the smokiness from the ham hocks and the onions and the bell peppers. You smell the bay leaves. It's just amazing. Hopefully your family loves it. You have a great night. Night.